back to the Lift Construction Update. I'm Larry Turley, Director of Development for Replay Destinations here in Park City, Utah. We are so thrilled to be nearing completion of the Lift residences. We've now identified when we expect to reach substantial completion, have our buyer walks, and be able to close units. As you'll see, we've made a lot of progress since our last video update. We've now finished units on levels 2, 3, 4, and finishing on 1 next. We've started to load furniture on 2 and 3. We are preparing to load all the electronics, TVs, artwork, housewares in preparation for our buyer walks. In a few weeks, we will be notifying buyers of our substantial completion in order to start the closing process.